Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete all videos on your TikTok. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching this video. So friends, let us get down to our topics. First of all, open TikTok on your phone. Next, you will need to go to your account. And let's say, if you want to delete just one video, you will need to select that video. And then at the bottom, click on these three dots. And then you need to scroll through this bottom menu until you see Delete. You click on the Delete function. And then you just need to confirm your action, and then the video will be instantly removed from your page. But it won't be removed completely from TikTok for another 30 days. So at any time you can go to the control center and resume your video. But if you have a lot of videos, and it will take quite a long time to delete each one. Unfortunately, I have to disappoint you, because there is currently no function in TikTok that allows you to delete all the videos you have on your page at once. But there are two workarounds that can help you. First, you can delete your account. To do this, you will need to click on the top right corner on the three bars. Then go to Privacy Settings. And then go to Account. After that, deactivate or delete your account. And this is where you'll be offered whether you want to deactivate your account or delete it. You choose what you're comfortable with. For example, if you want to take a break from your account for a while, you choose to deactivate your account. If you choose to delete it, then you'll have to explain why you're deleting the account and follow the instructions. But this way, first your account will also be deactivated for 30 days and then automatically deleted. And one more way, try deleting all the videos. This is also the most. Go to Privacy Settings, scroll to the very bottom, then Report a Problem. Here you also scroll down to the bottom. And then click on this very bottom line. This way, you will be able to contact the TikTok support team. You will be able to describe your problem here. And if you want, you can also attach screenshots of your page. You can write something like, "Dear TikTok team, I would like to delete all my videos on my page." And within 24 hours, they usually respond. It usually won't take much longer than that. But don't worry, they should definitely reply to you or your request should be honored. Friends, these are the ways you can try to delete all the videos on your TikTok page. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.